Hello, welcome to another video. Today we have got two sentences. They're in the active voice. So we have to change the sentence into the passive voice. So the first one is, we cannot undo what we do. So in this sentence, there are two clauses. And the first sentence, we cannot undo what we do. So we cannot undo is a principal clause, whereas what we do is a subordinate clause. So the subordinate clause, what we do is a subordinate clause, and this what we do is the object of this sentence. And so we have to write this object as a subject in a sentence in a passive voice, as we know. So what will you write now? What we do. So we cannot write this what we do directly, but as this what we do, we is the subject and do is the finite verb. That's why, and it's also a transitive verb, do is a transitive verb, and so as per rule, we should write the this do in a past participle form, that is in a passive voice. How can you write it? So let's see. What we do, instead of writing what we do directly, we'll write what is done by us. We will not write this by us, but it's understood. What is done cannot undo. So cannot undo is the principal verb of the entire sentence. That's why you write what is done cannot be undone. So we will not repeat this we by us. In both these parts we have not repeated this by us. So it's understood. What is done by us cannot be undone by us. But here it is, what is done cannot be undone, and it's okay. The next sentence, the similar sentence we have got is, we must endure what we cannot cure. And in this sentence as well, we must endure is the principal clause, where is what we cannot cure is a subordinate clause. So it's a complex sentence. So this subordinate clause is acting as the object of this sentence. That's why we should write the object as a subject in the next sentence in a passive. So how can you write? Let's see. What we cannot cure, it will be written like this. What cannot be cured, and this cured is the passive form of this verb cure. What cannot be cured must be endured. So in this sentence also, this bias is not repeated. What cannot be cured must be endured, and this cannot is the auxiliary verb, and it's followed by be, and this cured is the past participle form of this verb cure. This is the verb cure, and its participle form is cured. So what cannot be cured must be endured. So the main verb is endured. So